guys, I have another unboxing to do. We order it in Black Friday. Ano kaya ang laman ng aking Prime order? Tingnan natin, ha? Black Friday, guys. Kasi di naman. So, tingnan natin. Ang laman ng Oy! Carbon monoxide alarm. This is not my order. First alert. So we needed this for this little camper because this is for safety precaution. Because carbon monoxide alarm is very important in our house. Kasi some people really died sleeping under house kasi may leak ng carbon monoxide. Tapos kasi hindi yan mag-a-alarm mostly sa flood, especially back in the Philippines. We don't apply carbon monoxide, and if you have this alarm, it will detect, so it will make a sound. So there's an incident really happened that the couple just died in their bedroom because they were poisoned by the carbon monoxide in the house. And karamihan sa Philippine house wala talagang ganito, especially this one. Itong camper namin maliit lang siya, tapos we have some gas, we have gas stove and electric, and if we run the heater and we use the anong tawag niyan, yung gasol gas, sometimes it can create carbon monoxide. So Mike is always top of the line when it comes to safety. So we ordered it. This is his stuff, and mine is ta-da! Oh, I needed a new one, portable quadrupod. Alright guys, I will see. We will see what is this extra. Tingnan mo, ang cute niya. So many portable quadrupod. Mura lang ito guys. Ano lang siya, $19, $20, let's say $20. Because I just saw I saw it on Facebook din. Alam mo, gaya-gaya kasi. Gaya-gaya po tumaya. This, mga ano lang ito, it's not that expensive. Oh, di pa? Ang cute! Aray. Ano siya? Pang selfie. Pang selfie siya. Push this button. This is not the high-end brand, but I'm sure it works. So, I still have to papasira ko ito. This is the stand. Oy! Oh, cute! Pang selfie. Gusto ko sana yung magnet, kaso I'm scared if we are on the bike driving around, baka lilipad yung cellphone ko. Gusto na yung cellphone ko. Where is my phone? Okay, here's my phone, and then I like the grip. Right. I like the grip, guys. See? Make sure it doesn't hit that one. I like the grip better than the magnet kasi lilipa rin. Oh, yan. Ayan, ang cute niya, kay kutot. Very petite. It will not extend. Ganyan lang siya. Ganyan lang siya. Mini tripod. Cute siya, guys. Tapos, may timer siya dito. Sa camera action. So, this is the the wire. And this is the wire. What is this? What is this? I like it. Ay, this is the pot ko andi ay. Okay. So this is, I have to charge, so it's nice because I don't need to charge this. So I need to charge it in the anong tawag dyan? Basta ito para Bluetooth remote. So what is the use of this one? What's this one? Made in China nga lang siya. Kaya mura. Tingnan mo. Ano ito? May light siya, guys. Tingnan mo, i-insert siya dito. Diba? What is this other one? Dalawa. May isa. Dalawa siya. So, what's this other one? My kitchen siya. I don't know. What's this kitchen for? This one? I will figure this out. Pero, tingnan natin. Instructions. Mini grip quadrupod. Alright. Instructions. Function description. This and that. And what is the use? What is the use of this? So this is it, guys. I have this one. So many. This is the bottom. Oh yeah. There's a light, guys. If this battery, you have another extra. So oh yes. So magpapi. Oh yeah. So this is nice. This is movable. See? This is the leg. Putut lang ni siya, very petite. Murag ako ba? Putut lang ni na stanza. Nag-live ko. So you can do it this. Uy! There is a light. The eye. This one together. You can put this together. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let me see. Back and forth, up and down. Ay! Up and down. Makagwapa day. Oh yeah. Oh, diba? Oh yeah. Oy, nga di na mag-selfie, guys. Oh, diba? Oh, may light na. Right. I like it. Tingnan mo. Mag-selfie ka. Mag-selfie. Oh, diba? Selfie ka. May ilaw na dyan. Wow, tingnan natin, be. Camera. Uy, magagwapa ang color. I love it. Then let me see. Picture. This one nice. Can you move it or maybe not? Ta-da! Picture. This one. So, but without the light, we will see the. Oh, you can press it more. Brighter and blink. Oh yeah. And oh yeah. Let's take a picture without the light. Mura po pala. Let me see. See the difference? Na siya. Without the light. Ang with the light. Oh, I like with the light. Without the light. Tingnan mo. Yan ang with light. With no light. With the light. Without the light. Ano ang maganda? So anyway. I like it, guys. So, pang live stream ko siya dito sa gilid. Yan, no? Diba? Dito sa akin. This is the dining table, but I made it my computer table because it's not a big place here, but I make use of it. Pag kumakain naman kami ni Mike, dyan lang naman siya sa kanyang recliner. we eat like this, and sometimes I do it here and then on my other chair. So that's how simple we live in this little house. So, diba guys, ang cute siya. It's only $19. This is a good gift. So, pwede na siya pag tiyagaan. Uy, what about this? Let me see. Timer. Alright, let's try if this works. I have to connect the Bluetooth. Maybe it's low bat. Let's try. So, come on. Maybe it's low bat. I have to charge it first. So, anyway, that's it, guys. I love it. Oh, this is like a see. It's so nice to be with you. And all that things I wanna do. Alright guys, this is MD168 and I wanted to say thank you for watching on my unboxing. I hope you like it. This is a good portable quadrupod type of. If I were you, it's better to have the grip than the magnet, because if we are riding on the bike, pick, it's easy to fly if it's in the magnet. So I make sure it's safer this way. So once again, thank you guys for watching. Bye.